Good morning, Jim Barrett from RJO Futures. Monday morning, 6/10, June 10th. Okay, not a lot of news scheduled for this morning. James Bullard, Fed governor, speaks at 10 o'clock Central Time. There was a bit of news. The S&P, interestingly, moved the U.S. sovereign debt rating up from negative to stable. The stocks got a little push this morning on that. It was a non-event for the notes and bonds, which it probably more directly affects. Anyways, last week, Thursday's volatility, where we basically tested the upside of the new trading range, and then of course we got hit on Friday's number, the unemployment number. Here we are all the way back to the downside of the range, actually pushing at yields back to 220. Long-term support near 2.40, so it'll get interesting. The longest end of the curve, the 30-year and the ultra-long bond, we did already this morning, make lower lows than last week. All right, other news for the week. Basically, it's an auction week. 10s will be, the 10-year note will be, results will be noon on Wednesday. The 30-year auction results will be noon on Thursday. The typical modus operandi of the dealers is to push prices down a little bit, hopefully to make the auctions more attractive, and then possibly at the end of the week, Friday post-auction, possibly sets up for a bounce. On Friday, there actually is some news: producer price index, industrial production, and consumer sentiment. Funny article in the Wall Street Journal over the weekend about how the Fed hates the word tapering. All we hear about is tapering. When they're going to start the tapering, this or that. Anyways, apparently they're actually kind of annoyed with this word. However, expect to hear a lot of it all summer. I mean, it really is the key longer term or intermediate term fundamental is, when do these guys actually do this? Other things, other outside markets this week. Obviously the stock index is the big recovery from Thursday, all day Friday, and a higher open today may have hit the top of the range for now, which would offer a little bit of support to the notes and bonds over the next couple of days. I can reach at 800-500-2461 to discuss any commodity futures market. And remember, there is a risk of loss in futures trading, so it's not for everyone. Thank you.